So let me show you all the areas I've coded. You can see all the highlighted areas are the areas I was coding, and these are my initial codes. So for example, how do you define atrial fibrillation? You can see some say it's a cardiac problem, an arrhythmia, heart acceleration, heart palpitations. How did you find out you had this heart problem? You can see those answers. How did you manage to, or what do you believe causes atrial fibrillation? Others are saying smoking, then being born with bicuspid valve, have no idea, drinking excessive weight, getting rheumatic fever as a child. We have so many causes of atrial fibrillation according to the participants in the focus group. Basically, in the initial coding, you can see what I'm doing is capturing the questions, okay, the questions the moderator is asking, then adding the codes below the questions, which are the answers, as I just showed you previously. Now, we are going to revise these codes, and that's what I did here. By revising, we mean going and right-clicking and going to code properties. We rename and re-edit the codes, and then if there are codes that have shared meaning, we combine them. For example, you can see drinking has 2 references. That means 2 people suggested that drinking is one of the main causes of atrial fibrillation, okay? You can see that. So just cleaning up, which is the revising codes.